Welcome to Viva la Vida, your ultimate guide to exploring southern Spain's beauty, culture, and hidden gems. Nerja, the sparkling gem of Spain's Costa del Sol. If you're planning a weekend getaway, filled with sun, sea, and a sprinkle of adventure, you've landed in the right spot. Let's dive into how you can make the most of your 2 days in this charming town. Day 1. Exploring the heart of Nerja. Morning. Start your day like a true Spaniard with a leisurely breakfast in Nerja's old town. Picture this. You're sitting in a quaint cafe, savoring a tostada con tomate, that's toasted bread generously rubbed with fresh tomato and drizzled with local olive oil. Pair it with a café con leche, coffee with milk, and you're set. The narrow, winding streets around you are brimming with whitewashed houses adorned with vibrant bougainvillea, making it the perfect backdrop for your morning. Mid-morning. After breakfast, it's time to head to the Balcón de Europa, the crown jewel of Nerja and a must-visit spot for any traveler. This iconic viewpoint, perched dramatically on a cliff, offers breathtaking panoramic views of the sparkling Mediterranean Sea and the rugged coastline. As you stroll along the elegant promenade leading to the balcony, you'll be surrounded by lush palm trees, charming street lamps, and the vibrant energy of both locals and visitors. Once you reach the edge, you'll be greeted by sweeping vistas that are nothing short of magical. Take your time soaking in the scenery. On a clear day, you might even spot the distant coastline of Africa. The balcón is also a fantastic place to snap some Instagram-worthy photos, or just sit on one of the benches and watch the world go by. Plus, if you're lucky, you might catch a talented street performer adding a lively soundtrack to your visit. Afternoon. As the sun climbs higher, it's time to indulge in one of Nerja's most famous attractions, its incredible beaches. Make your way to Burriana Beach, the town's star stretch of sand. This lively beach is more than just a place to lay down a towel. It's an experience. You can rent a sun lounger for a lazy afternoon by the waves, or dive into the crystal-clear Mediterranean for a refreshing swim. Feeling adventurous? Paddleboarding and kayaking are popular activities here, and the views of the cliffs from the water are unbeatable. When hunger strikes, the beachfront promenade comes alive with enticing aromas. Stop by one of the many chiringuitos, beachside restaurants, for a meal. A must-try is the espeto de sardinas, a traditional dish where sardines are skewered and grilled over an open flame. Pair it with a cold drink, and you've got the perfect coastal lunch. It's the ultimate way to soak in Nerja's relaxed vibe. Late afternoon. As the afternoon heat peaks, make your way to one of Nerja's most fascinating attractions, the Cuevas de Nerja Caves. Located just a short drive or bus ride from the town center, these incredible prehistoric caves offer an awe-inspiring escape into the natural wonders of Andalusia. Stretching for nearly 5 kilometers, the caves are famous for their intricate formations of stalactites and stalagmites, some of which have been growing for thousands of years. The highlight is the massive central column, officially recognized as the world's largest stalagmite, standing a staggering 32 meters tall. Walking through the chambers feels like stepping into a fantasy world, with dramatic lighting highlighting the textures and shapes of the cave walls. Keep an eye out for the ancient rock art believed to be over 40,000 years old, a testament to the cave's historical significance. It's the perfect mix of adventure, history, and natural beauty, offering a memorable experience for any visitor. I left a link to book the cave entry tickets in the video description. Evening. For your first evening in Nerja, treat yourself to a delightful culinary experience, followed by a dose of breathtaking scenery. Start with dinner at one of the town's top restaurants, such as Raw Lounge and Tapas, a spot beloved for its innovative take on traditional Spanish tapas. You'll find everything from fresh seafood to vegetarian delights, all prepared with a creative twist. For a more traditional option, head to Restaurante 34, where Mediterranean flavors are paired with stunning views of the sea. After your meal, it's time for a classic Nerja experience, watching the sunset from the iconic Balcón de Europa. This panoramic viewpoint transforms into a magical setting as the sky shifts through shades of orange, pink, and purple. The soft evening breeze and gentle sound of waves below make it unforgettable. End your night with a leisurely stroll along the charming streets, soaking in Nerja's warm, inviting ambiance. Day 2. nature, and nearby treasures. Morning. Kickstart your day with a refreshing adventure by heading to the Río Chíllar, one of the most unique hiking experiences in the Nerja area. This trail offers a cool and exhilarating escape as you follow the gentle river through a lush gorge surrounded by towering cliffs and vibrant greenery. The best part? Much of the hike involves wading through shallow, crystal-clear waters, which is perfect for cooling off as the day warms up. Along the way, you'll encounter natural pools, small waterfalls, and stunning rock formations. Whether you're an avid hiker or just looking for a fun and active way to immerse yourself in nature, this trail is sure to leave you feeling energized and inspired. Wear water-friendly shoes and don't forget your camera. Afternoon? After your invigorating hike along the Río Chíllar, it's time to slow things down and explore the enchanting village of Frigiliana, just a 15-minute drive from Nerja. Often regarded as one of the most beautiful white villages in Spain, Frigiliana is a treasure trove of charm and history. As you wander through its narrow, cobbled streets, you'll be surrounded by dazzling whitewashed houses adorned with vibrant flowers, creating the perfect postcard-worthy scene. Don't miss the Mudéjar quarter, where you can trace the legacy of the village's Moorish past in the intricate tilework and architecture. Stop by local artisan shops for handcrafted pottery, or indulge in a glass of Frigiliana's famous sweet wine, made from locally grown muscatel grapes. Hungry? Enjoy a leisurely lunch at one of the many rooftop restaurants offering stunning views of the surrounding countryside. This peaceful retreat is a wonderful complement to Nerja's coastal vibe. Evening. As your weekend in Nerja draws to a close, the evening of your second day deserves to be magical. After soaking up the peaceful vibes at Playa de Maro, it's time to indulge in a memorable farewell to this Andalusian paradise. Head back into town for a relaxed dinner at one of Nerja's charming restaurants. A top choice could be El Refugio, known for its warm atmosphere and authentic Spanish dishes. Whether you're craving paella, fresh seafood, or a perfectly cooked steak, this spot ensures a meal to remember. Post-dinner, why not take a twilight stroll along the lit-up streets of the old town? The soft glow of lanterns, coupled with the gentle murmur of the sea, creates a romantic and serene vibe. End the night with a cocktail at a rooftop bar, where you can sip, unwind, and take one last look at Nerja's twinkling coastline under the starry sky. Before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this guide and want more travel tips and itineraries, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more content to fellow travelers like you. Hasta luego.